In Anthem, Arizona, homeowners understand the importance of keeping their homes secure, stylish, and energy efficient, especially in a region where desert heat, dust, and sunshine test the limits of every building material. One modern upgrade that checks all those boxes is the installation of eco doors. Far from being just environmentally friendly, eco doors are designed to enhance home security, energy performance, and overall comfort, making them a smart choice for anyone looking to improve their home's function and value. Whether you're upgrading your entryway or replacing old patio doors, here's how eco doors are transforming Anthem residences for the better. What are eco doors? Eco doors are energy-efficient, sustainable, and secure door systems built from high-performance materials like fiberglass, steel, or sustainably sourced wood. They're designed to reduce energy loss, withstand harsh climates, and minimize the home's environmental footprint, all without sacrificing beauty or strength. For Anthem homeowners, this combination is ideal. The town's hot, dry summers and cool desert nights make energy control crucial, while dust and UV exposure call for durable materials that won't fade or warp. With modern eco door designs, you can enjoy both lower utility bills and greater peace of mind, knowing your home is protected and performing efficiently. Superior energy efficiency for the desert climate. One of the biggest advantages of eco doors is their exceptional energy performance. Older or poorly sealed doors often allow hot air to seep inside, forcing your air conditioner to work harder. Over time, this leads to higher energy bills and uneven indoor temperatures. Eco doors combat this problem with insulated cores, thermal breaks, and advanced weather stripping. These features prevent heat from entering during the day and keep cool air trapped indoors, reducing energy waste. Many eco doors also include low emissivity glass for patio or sliding door designs. This special coating reflects UV rays while still allowing natural light to brighten your home, keeping interiors cool and comfortable without the glare. In a place like Anthem, where energy conservation and comfort go hand in hand, these small improvements can lead to big savings over time. Built for strength and security. While eco doors excel in efficiency, they're equally known for their strength and security features. High-quality fiberglass and steel eco doors are resistant to warping, cracking, or corrosion, issues that often compromise traditional wooden doors in Arizona's climate. These doors are often equipped with multi-point locking systems, reinforced hinges, and impact-resistant cores, providing superior protection against break-ins or extreme weather. Many models are even storm-rated, giving homeowners extra confidence during monsoon season. Unlike older doors that weaken over time, eco doors maintain their integrity for decades, ensuring your family's safety remains uncompromised. Sustainable materials and eco-friendly design. Anthem homeowners are increasingly choosing upgrades that are good for the planet as well as their property. Eco doors are built with sustainability in mind, using recyclable materials, non-toxic finishes, and manufacturing processes that reduce waste. Fiberglass, for instance, requires less maintenance than wood and lasts much longer, reducing the need for replacements. Steel doors, another eco-friendly option, can be recycled and are among the most energy-efficient choices available. By investing in eco doors, you're not just improving your home, you're contributing to a more sustainable future for the Anthem community. Low maintenance and long-term value. Another reason Anthem residents love eco doors is their low maintenance requirements. Traditional wooden doors can swell, crack, or fade under intense sunlight. Eco doors, however, are engineered to resist these issues, requiring only minimal cleaning and care. Because of their durability and insulation, these doors often last twice as long as standard models, offering exceptional long-term value. Combine that with reduced energy bills and minimal upkeep, and eco doors quickly pay for themselves. Style meets performance. Eco doors don't just perform well, they look stunning, too. Homeowners can choose from a wide range of custom finishes, glass inserts, and designs that fit both contemporary and traditional Anthem homes. Whether you prefer a modern minimalist entryway or rustic desert-inspired style, Eco doors provide elegance that complements any exterior. With sleek lines, textured panels, and natural color options, these doors make a statement while blending beautifully with Anthem's scenic desert landscape. Final thoughts in Anthem, where the environment can be as challenging as it is beautiful, Eco doors offer the perfect balance of performance, protection, and design. They keep your home secure from the elements, lower your energy consumption, and add modern curb appeal, all while supporting sustainable living. For homeowners ready to upgrade, professional installation is key. A skilled installer ensures your Eco door fits perfectly, maximizing efficiency and durability. With the right eco-friendly door system, you can enjoy a cooler, safer, and more efficient Anthem home, proving that sustainability and style truly go hand in hand.